Today we have a Hanayama mechanical puzzle designed by Nob Yoshigahara, and it's called the cast flag puzzle. This has been around for a while. It's a level 1 puzzle, so I don't think it's going to be too hard. I guess the object is going to be to get this moving component out of the container, and the only way I can see doing that is through the top, because that's where the ball would fit. These two parts here are thin, and I guess that's where the flag staffs can be moved around. This is a cute little design here. It looks very nautical. Reminds me of an anchor. Let's get to it.
Okay, that was just a very quick show of this flag puzzle. I'm a huge fan of the Hanayama cast metal line of puzzles. I'm a collector, in fact. They range in difficulty from 1 to 6, and trust me, level 6 can be absolutely brutal. I recommend starting lower on the scale lest you get too frustrated too soon. These puzzles are fun for all ages. Recommend.